You thought my horn was loud?
I want that horn.
Nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those are nice pants.
Cold tires.
Yeah, word. Yeah, quick safety brief. Besides just cold tires, it's the last day. We had a fucking awesome week of riding, and nobody put anything down, so let's keep it that way today. Don't be complacent, stay focused, don't go harder just because it's fucking last day, shit like that.
Check.
Should be clear, I would think, up here.
Think so?
Just some locals, yeah. Want some bow ties. Nice.
My legs are a little sore, to be honest with you.
Yo, if your legs are sore, you're doing the right shit, man.
Lines are getting better, yeah?
Oh yeah. There was times where I thought you were coming in too hot for not for normal people, but for yourself, you know. But you took it fine, and I was like, oh shit, like I'm underestimating you. It's a good run, bro.
Yeah.
Feels good.
My favorite part's coming up.
The gravity cavity. Just like the name.
Woo! I love that.
Yeah, that is a fun little piece.
Oh man, definitely gonna have to take a little bit of a break. I don't know why my legs are bothering me so much.
We can pull off.
No.
You probably need to hydrate and stretch, bro. I know it sounds gay.
No. That does sound good, dude. I used to fucking be in the gym 30 hours a week.
Well, when we get to the store, we'll eat a banana. and then rub our thighs. Our own, bro.
Oh, damn it.
Not each other's.
Let me know if I need to slow down for you, alright?
Yeah, I will. I mean, this is a little faster out of my comfort zone, but I think I'll be alright.
Mr. 9 minutes back there.
Yeah, fuck that. Alright, you want to just do it again? Just loop around?
Sure.
Yeah, right, you little puss.
Are we stopping or are we looping?
We're stopping. You need a banana.
20 minutes later.
One last one for the road.
Wow, his plate is like behind his tire, dude.
That's kind of where mine was
Wow,
so readable.
dude, you literally can't read it at all.
Yeah, it's like, why even bother? Just fucking put it in your pocket. You got a better chance of getting out of tickets. I mean, they see that, they're going to pull you over to give you a ticket. If it's in your pocket, you'll be like, oh yeah, it fell off, I'm going to fix it when I get home.
Right.
Remember, go at your own pace. Look, we already caught up to these folios. They got a chick with them in the middle, though. She's probably like, I'm not riding down it. And they're like, you're going to. And then just the last day they're here, he's like, oh no, we got people behind us. Use the next pull-off, guys. Seriously, watch. They're going to use it. See him looking back, he's like, oh yeah.
Yep.
And nice, steady speed. We're going to give him, like, opportunity to get off. I'm not going to be a doucher.
Doucher.
Wow. You guys, you done fucked up, Aaron. Now I'm going to ride his butt a little bit. Not bad. You good? Should I not have passed?
Oh, I'm right behind you, dude.
Oh, good.
You are a little close to her, though.
I know.
Well,
we gave him some pull-off options. Yeah, she's blowing corners now. I'm going to ease up.
A little squirrely.
This is why you don't let people, like, you just ignore when people's behind you. If they hit you, it's their fucking shit. It would fuck me up more than it would her. But she should have let us by already, man.
Yep.
You're good. It's tight here. Tight right. It's come in too hot off that.
I kind of did a little dick move there.
Woo, you passed in the corner, bro.
Yeah.
I saw that.
That was a dick move, man. My bad. My bad.
Fuck that, though. I mean, you know it was a dick move, but she pushed you into that position. Good?
Cool. I probably made her so fucking nervous, dude. My bad. I don't...
Was it still clean, though?
Yeah. I mean, we were literally, like, tandem.
It looked clean.
Not tandem, but we were side by side through a sharp corner.
I know, I saw that.
I feel bad.
Don't feel bad.
Because I'd be pissed off if somebody did that scale up.
Well, she had... Yeah, that's true. That's true. But they should have been fucking using pull-off.
Yeah.
We gave them opportunity.
I thought that girl would slow up at the corner, you know what I mean? She kind of, like, sped up.
Yeah, it was pretty gangster, bro. But again, that was double apex, I fucked up. But again, she should have used the damn pull-off. I'm way over-leaning.
That's good, man. Looks good on camera.
For anybody that doesn't know how to ride, yeah. Everybody else is like, look at this fucking guy, he's going 20, fucking hanging off like an animal.
That view.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night forever.
That's it.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in to John.com7. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. Share my shit.